Hi, I'm Linton from Sewing Machines Plus. We're having another look at our Sewtech SW-K6-D4 compound feed automatic machine. We've sold a lot of these and we've got quite a few more coming in to Australia, so I thought we'd run through the threading of this machine. So we want to wind the bobbin while we're sewing. We'll start at the back of the machine here at the thread stand, and we'll use our right hand thread. We're going to come through one eyelet at the top here, and now down to our tension unit. The bobbin winder tension unit is here, so we come through from behind through one eyelet, around the tension unit, ensuring to pull the thread between the discs, and out through our second eyelet. Now we come to our left. The bobbin goes on the top here, so what we do, it's an automatic start, so we pull the bobbin off, we lay our thread through the slot in the shaft, press our bobbin down firmly onto that, and what I'll do is I'll just trim a little bit of that tail off, still leaving a little bit to trim off once it's finished. We engage the winder, and that's it. That will sit there and wind while we're sewing. Once it's full, this will open and the bobbin will be ready to remove and put in the bobbin case. Now we'll move straight on to the threading of the machine. We're going to take our left hand cone of thread, come through from behind through the one eyelet. We're coming down to the thread guide on top of the machine. This is a thin thread, so we're only going to use two of these holes. We come from back to front, over, and back to front through the end hole. Now if we're using a thicker thread, we'll go through all three of those, just adding a little bit of extra tension. Now we come up to our first tension unit, and we go through the top eyelet from right to left, around and through the bottom eyelet from right to left, and now over the tension unit between the discs. You come through the bottom eyelet beneath the tension unit. Once again between the discs in the tension unit. I'll pull that in firmly. Over our check spring and back down under this guide. If we now pull on the thread, we'll see the activation of the check spring. So we know we've got that correct. Now we go through one guide here on the right, through our take-up lever from right to left, down through guide on the left, another guide on the left, and behind our thread clamp. One eyelet left here above the needle on the needle clamp, and through our needle from left to right. Just bring the needle up a little bit. There we go there. Now we've already done our bobbin and we've demonstrated that in a prior video. So what we do is we hold our threads up, turn the machine one full revolution, up and over. And at that point we can lift our foot, just tug on our threads and we'll pull our bottom thread up. And then pull both threads through, the top and the bottom, through the feet, and out to the back of the work. And that's how we start. When we start sewing, we hold both threads back firmly as we start to sew.